We are back, and this is number 3 and the last episode in the 1 million apartments hunting here in Dubai.
If you haven't seen the previous videos, go back and check them out, and we hope you enjoy this part as well.
New day, new apartment. We got invited to Imtiaz, another developer here in Dubai. They have different projects around Dubai. This is a 1-bedroom plus study. Really spacious. The floor plan is kind of similar as the other apartment that we showed before, but this is a little bit different. The design here, it flows a little bit better because you can see the rounded forms here. You can see that around the whole apartment. But if we start here, the kitchen. It's nice design. A little bit lighter, which make the apartment feel a little bit bigger. So I really like it. It's marble with gold, which I absolutely love. They have built in all the utilities. Looks really smooth, doesn't take away the distraction from anything. You have the powder room here, which is quite spacious for a powder room. They also have the utilities, the washing machine here, which is perfect. Then if we continue here, we have the studio. Here to the left of you.
Or the study.
Study, exactly. Which is perfect. If someone is working from home, you can sit here. It's spacious. If you have a small kid, you probably can have a small bed here. Otherwise, I don't think it's gonna suit a full bed though. But perfect size, you don't need that much more here.
That would be perfect for us because we're both working from home.
Exactly, and the gold details here as well, both on the wall, but also like this glass door, kind of cover the sound, hopefully. You have this 4-seated dining table here. Perfect size, you don't need that much bigger here. It's nice design, as you can see here. Just look at the lighting, how they done it here. They kind of like extended the ceilings here to just put in the light here.
Yeah,
really
I love
nice.
the light fixtures. A lot of built-in lights everywhere, under the shelves.
Under the TV as well. You have everything's custom made here. With the TV frame, you have it behind the sofa as well. Everything kind of the same style, the gold, the light color. That is amazing chandelier or lamp, I don't know exactly what it is, but it feels like leaves are like flowing in the air.
Looks like the ones we saw in that $15 million
Yeah, exactly.
villa.
It might be copying that a little bit. But as you can see, the natural lights coming in, big windows here as well. Yeah, I really like the design here. It feels kind of luxury, even if it's not that expensive, these apartments.
Yeah, and we're gonna talk more about the different projects that they have as well, because they do have different price ranges. Yeah, very, very positively surprised as well. Built-in TV frame as well.
What I really like, what you do, that we saw in the other apartment cell, to have a lot of mirrors to make the apartment even bigger. So that's a good tip. Just feel bigger than it is. But let's continue into the bedroom, which you can see it's a super spacious bedroom. The same here with the lighting fixtures. They extended the ceiling here as well to put in the light here, make it more earthy. They have custom built here as well, both here in the kind of makeup study. You can have a TV here, but also here behind the custom made bed. You have like this marble gold, same kind of feeling as the other apartments.
They're very hotel-y feeling, but I think that's what everyone wants these days.
Exactly. That's probably how we're gonna do it in our future apartment as well. Just do this custom made to make it more hotel luxury feeling.
It's pretty smart actually. They built in the AC into that hidden part up there with the lighting, and typically otherwise you would have these vents that don't look that nice.
Yeah, exactly. The same here, same nice painting everywhere, giving this calmness. And what I really like in this apartment is this walk-in closet, half walk-in closet, but they put kind of windows, a little bit darker windows, so you can see it, but it's still a little bit hidden there. Then you have some more storage here. You can put in some nice perfume bags and everything that you want here. And then this same kind of theme, the same kind of color here, marble gold. Really like the same form here as all over the apartment. Makes a little bit more flowy here, like when you have this kind of format. Nice shower. I really like this marble. It's like small stripes in it. You see it closely.
Yeah, cool.
Really nice. Gold details here as well. Really nice. I really like this apartment. I really like the style here. It's definitely my type of style in this apartment.
And the whole reception here at their office, it's very modern, very stylish, and they were having a sales meeting out here. Feels like high energy.
Yeah, but yeah, I like this kind of way how they did it. A little bit different than other ones. The floor plan is kind of the same, but they still make it kind of their own.
I would say more like Tabir with the study and everything.
Yeah, exactly.
Than Nashama. But yeah, comment, tell us.
What do you think about this? So let me know which one you prefer, Nashama, Imtiaz or Tabir. Which one is your favorite?
There's a very passionate sales leader having a presentation out here, so we decided to go into this conference room so you guys can hear us. We've been very impressed with visiting Imtiaz this morning, and the projects are spread out across all of Dubai, from affordable areas like Al Furjan, where they have the project called Westwood, to JVC, where they have multiple products, and in Dubai land, you can actually find studios from 600 or 500k mark up to around 800k. For one beds, you would be looking at around at least, I think the ones out in Dubai land are around $1 million. And the newer ones, Al Furjan for instance, is a little bit more expensive. They also have projects in Jumeirah Garden City, which is called Hyde Walk, very prime location, closer to downtown, where the prices go up a little bit. And very recently, and I think it was just last week basically, or this week, they launched their most exciting project yet on Dubai Islands. And this one will of course be a little bit higher price range than the other ones. But in all, very interesting developer, because depending on your budget, there could be options for you for people who are a smaller budget, but also if you want to have more prime locations like Dubai Island. So definitely check out Imtiaz, and if you want to know more details about these projects or need some guidance in general, reach out to us on our contact details below. Hopefully we can provide some value or at least set you up with the right contact.
We're done with our apartment hunting under 1 million. We've seen a lot of different design, different location, but there's so many more.
Yeah, comment which one was your favorite, or reach out to us if you have any other questions on our email or our WhatsApp. And make sure you check out our Instagram if you want to get daily updates from when we're running around the city. And we'll see you very, very soon on the next one.
See ya!